Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin and I welcome you all to Power Apps Beginner series. You are watching 20th part of this series, and in this session I am going to talk about how you can restore previous version of the app in Power Apps. So now let's get started. First of all, let me talk about what is versioning and how we can restore previous version in the Power Apps. So whenever we create the Power Apps Canvas app, every 2 minutes Power Apps will auto save the application. Sometime what happen here is we as a developer are working into Canvas app, and now let's say by mistakenly I have removed some of the screen over here. Let's say I have removed this screen from this particular canvas app. Now on the second day I realized that I did that mistake. I want to restore that page again. So how can I do that? At this moment, let me intentionally save this particular page, but during the actual app development the Power Apps automatically save this application, right? And every time when it saves, a new version is updated over there, right? Now you can see that I have removed the screen 4 from this particular canvas app. Now my application is already being stored, and now let's say on for that particular day I just done with my work. I did not publish anything and I just closed my application, and I went to my home, right? Let me just close the browser window as well. Now I have closed my Power Apps. On the second day, I came to the office and I just opened my application and I realized that I deleted one of the Power Apps page. So how can I restore that? For that, make sure that your Power Apps is closed first, right? Very important step. Your Power Apps must be closed. Also, you need to close all the available tabs from your browser as well. Otherwise, it will considered as the app is opened in one of your browser window, right? So make sure that your app is closed. Then from the app section, select the app and then go to the details section, right? Now here you will be having different versions over here. You can see that the live version of the app is this one, but yesterday I saved this particular version. Now let's say there is a possibility. Yesterday I have saved my application 10 times. So 10 different version would be saved for that particular timestamp. Every version has its own timestamp. So you just need to think like which version from that particular day you want to restore. Let's say here I have deleted that particular page. Now at this moment this app is live and its previous version is 13. Now I want to restore this version because this particular version have that page available, right? For that I just select that, click on more command, and you will be having a restore option over here. Just click on restore. So it will be asking a pop-up, restore version 13. Yes, I want to restore. This will be saved as version 15. Yeah, absolutely. So let me just click on restore, and Power Apps is restoring that version, right? Now my app version is 15, right? Now what I want to do here is, now let me just open the app again. For that, just go to edit mode of the app and let's see if I'm getting my screen back over there or not, because I have restored my version. My app is being opened now, and now here you can see that at the very bottom my screen has been successfully restored. Isn't that amazing? One important thing we need to keep in mind. Here you can see that one message. Now one important thing you to note here. It's only possible to restore the app versions that were created in the last 6 months. Versions which were earlier than 6 months, we are not able to restore that, right? So this is how the versioning and restore the previous version concept will work in Power Apps. Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your questions in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay tuned with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.